Hey everybody, I am here coming at you again, and I'm going to be showing you how to do the water drop nails, the 3 water drop nails. I've seen a few on YouTube, but they were only with nail polish, but I'm going to show you how to do it with acrylic and how easy it is. You're probably looking like, how did you do this? This is just foil. I'm gonna just tell you how I did this by word of mouth. I took Sinful colors. It's called Endless Blue, and I put it on top of the nail after I buffed it and so forth. I let it dry a little. Let it dry completely, and then I took the foil glue, which is this one. It comes with the foil. Sometimes people might not like this glue because it doesn't really work, which is true, because in the beginning when I used it, and then I thought it didn't work, but when I got used to it, I started using it, because what you have to do, you have to put the coat on, wait till it dries clear, like it's a clear top coat. Wait till it dry clear, and then you put the foil on. Now if you don't want to use that type of glue, you can use best glue ever. It's a scrap perfect. It's like a scrapbook glue for paper and other crafts. I don't know if you can get this in your arts and crafts section, but I looked at mine and I didn't find it. So what I did, I ordered it off of Amazon. And what you do, since this is kind of thick, what you do, you put some in here. You put like 2 drops of water, mix it up till it get watery, like how this one is watery. If you can see, I don't know, but this is a little watery. Get like a brush in your arts and crafts place, something like this. Brush it on the nail, a thin coat. Let it dry to get crystal clear, and then that's when you take the foil. The foil is called, I got it from the dollarnailart.com. It's called Asian Times. I don't know. Don't have me lying how to pronounce this, but if you can see it, I don't know how to. It come from Dollar Nail Art, and I got this. I just cut it, and it comes like this. You don't use this side, you use the back side of it, and you just put it on the nail. When it dries, hold it like that. I normally take a Q-tip and just rub it all the way down and rub it on the side so I can get an even, portion to go all over the nail. And if there's some, like if you see like any cracks or crevices, that's why I put the blue to match this. So just in case you might, and what doesn't go on the whole nail, and it's like little cracks, and when you can still fill it in, just put it on top, rub it and peel it off, it'll cover it up. But if you don't feel like it, then you can just leave it as is. You couldn't really tell because I matched up the color with it. Okay, enough of the talk. We're gonna get down to the 3D water drops. I figured, since I see them coming out, why not try it myself? I got some crystal clear acrylic. Oh yeah, I forgot. I put a clear top coat, a gel top coat on top of this, on top of the foil. Put in the LED light for a minute or so, and then I got this nice shiny. You can keep it like that also. I love it like that. It's so beautiful. But we're gonna get a ball, and we can just start off however big the water drops you want them to be. I'll just put this right here. Oh, I don't want to come off my brush. Alright, just put them right there. Come on. And let it just flow, let it flow naturally. Or sometimes you might want them to look more 3-ish instead of spreading at the base. You could just push them in a little bit as it dries, like that. That's up to you. And then you can also do it like this. Get one and make it as a drop. Make a 3D drop a little bit. My acrylic is just acting up today. Anyways, get like a little drop like that. You can do it however you want to. I believe you can use gel. I don't know. You can use gel to make your drops. However you want to do it. But I'm going to use clear acrylic for my drops. Keep them rounded like that. They're called 3D water drop nails. And this is a number 6 Kolinsky brush if you're wondering what type of brush I'm using. And you can do like some, I'm gonna do a few more, and then I'm let it dry. Let it dry a little bit. There, because you can see it's spreading. That's why I'm like trying to it's a very, easy 3D nail design. And I'm also going to put a video out how to do glacier nails also. That's easy too. I'm going to put one more and then I'm going to come back at you when it's dry, and I'm going to show you how it looks when it's dry. And then I'm going to also put the UV top coat on, and I'm going to show you how it looks after. Okay, now it's dry now. I'm going to take my Young Nails Finish Gel and put it on top. Make sure you can see. I'm just going to put it on top of the ball. Okay. And after that, I'm going to put in a UV light, and then I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, here we are. this is how it looks. You can, I know you can barely see, but I'm gonna turn it to the side. You can see the drops here and so forth. See how that is? Very, very cute. You can go with any design you want. You can do it however you want, but this is how it is. Hope you guys can see. Very pretty. Try it out for yourselves and see how it is for you, or if you are nail tech, and try it up on your clients and so forth. And if you like just practicing and doing nails, just do it, you know. I encourage you to go for it and keep God first. Bye-bye.